what we can do. So if you are interested till this point, you completed, you have a very good understanding about the CISA, right? So CISA is a global certification, right? So eligibility, any person can eligible for CISA, right? And we have talked about it. If you have 3 years experience, we are good. So what is the the amount will be on generally, it's 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 30. So if you wanted to save training cost, you can save us, you can contact us, right? We are going to give you the best deal. Okay. And ISAC is also going to provide many offers, many days. Okay. You are going to get many things. With us, we are going to give you 200% passing rate. We are going to give you 200% pass guarantee, and we are going to give you zero cost until you pass. It's going to be zero cost certification. It's first time in India. So unless until you pass, we are not going to take single penny. We are going to give you exclusive mentorship, exclusive classes, right? Exclusive mentorship, and one-to-one mentorship from the mentor. Okay, so this much of efforts we are going to put. So you just explore other institutes as well. You can explore others as well and try to understand better. And you can always contact us. The number which is there in the description. Next.